In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete connections on LinkedIn Mobile. If you're cleaning up your professional network or you simply no longer need to stay connected with someone, removing a connection on the LinkedIn Mobile app is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through it step by step so you know exactly what to expect and where to tap. From your LinkedIn Mobile homepage, start by tapping the Network tab. This is the section that shows your invitations, contacts, and most importantly, your full list of connections. Once you're in Network, scroll through your connections until you find the person you want to remove. You can take a moment here to confirm you've selected the right person since this change updates your network right away. Next, look to the right side of that person's name. You'll see a small three-dot icon which opens more options for managing that connection. Go ahead and tap those three dots. This opens a menu with actions related to that connection. At the bottom of that menu, you'll see Remove Connection. Tap Remove Connection to proceed. Right after you select it, a confirmation prompt will appear. It's there to make sure you're intentionally making this change. The prompt will ask if you'd like to remove this specific person from your connections. If you're sure, tap Remove. As soon as you confirm, LinkedIn will remove that person from your list of connections and your network count will update to reflect the change. A few helpful notes as you do this. Removing a connection does not send a notification to the other person, so they won't be alerted that you've taken this action. They will, however, no longer see connections, only updates from you, and you won't see theirs. If you change your mind later, you can always send a new invitation to connect again. Also, when you use the three-dot menu next to a person's name, you're acting directly on that connection, which is the fastest way to manage your network from the mobile app. And that's it. You've successfully removed a connection using the LinkedIn mobile app by heading to Network, locating the contact, opening the three-dot menu beside their name, selecting Remove Connection, and confirming the removal. It's a simple, intentional process that keeps your professional network relevant and up to date. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.